welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another easy nail art tutorial, and in this video we're going to be doing abstract nail design with gold chrome. I'm starting off by using my black gel polish from Beetles to start drawing the design on each nail, and I'm pretty much going to be repeating this process throughout the video. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notifications every time I post a video. So for this design, it doesn't have to be perfect whatsoever. You're just drawing random squiggly lines across the nail and then filling it in with the polish of your choice. We're using black because we're going to be doing chrome, so we're using black as the base today. So you're going to be taking your rhinestone glue by Macar or any rhinestone or 3D gel that you have to go ahead and outline the outer layers of the initial design, just so that we can get that 3D effect. now for the fun part, the chrome. You're just going to be using any color chrome you like. Today we're using gold chrome. I got this chrome from Amazon, and you can find the same exact one in my Amazon storefront that'll be listed down below in the description. And you're just going to be rubbing that on, whether it be with your finger or if you have a chrome brush. You're just going to rub it evenly and neatly over the design that you created. So this is how it turned out once I applied my top coat. I feel like this set came out really nice. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see.